Friends, working accountants, welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the part six of part six of tally. Part six of payroll management. The payroll management. In this part, we take up define salary. So I will show you define salary and attendance. Both we have to define what is the salaries, different payments to be made, and what is the attendance for them. Okay, this single thing. Before entering into the topic, a request to you. So everyone entering into my channel and watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon near the what you call subscribe button and select all, so you will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel. And also you share my channel with others also. And another one more important thing is, everyone please watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will understand the topic up to that point. The balance you will not understand. It will be like half knowledge. So it is only waste of time, nothing more than that. So watch every video till the end, and if necessary, you can watch many number of times so that you'll get a very good knowledge. And also the problems, examples shown in my videos, so including the work which I do, you work out or you practice the same problems and everything many number of times in Tally Prime, you will get expert knowledge. Okay, yeah. Now we will enter into the topic. And also, after watching the video till the end, if the video is good, please clear like the video, and your idea about these videos, any video about a video, and also any doubts you have, all these you post in the comment section. You post in the comment section, post your comment in the comment section. It is the only communication between you and me. So I can clarify your doubts. I can make some other whatever you want. I can clarify your doubts. Okay. So please don't forget to post the comments. Now I am going to the subject, entering into the topic, and I am sharing the screen. See here, in the last video, we completed. So all the pay heads, three types of pay heads we completed. Now we have to define the salary, and along with that, you have to define the attendance processing. The attendance also we had to do. So here, if you go to the Tally Prime, so go to alter button. See here, you can see after pay heads, then we have to go to define salary define salary, and after that we have to payroll vouchers, first attendance. So after that, define salary, then page your payroll vouchers type. In that, the first one is attendance. That also we have to define or process. So define the salary and process the attendance. So salary will be defined. What is the total amount payable for the month? Attendance will be defined. Then calculation will be made as per the attendance. Total amount will not be paid. So out of that amount, what is the amount payable to the employee as per the attendance? These two we will take up today in this topic. So now, so what we have to do is we have to define the salary. So define the salary. How we will define the salary? So define the salary means, so we have already created all the office means, this offices means categories, and department means groups, and the employees we created. So in our problem, we have two offices, that is Hyderabad, that is two categories, Hyderabad head office and Vijayawada branch. In that, accounts and sales, in both accounts department and sales department, they are called groups, categories and groups. And in that, employees are two employees in one office. In this office also two employees. For each department, one employee only. So here, as per the given data, we have to define the salary. Define the salary means, what is the amount payable? First of all, we give the basic salary, and on the basis of the basic salary, many other pay heads will be calculated. Some pay heads will give the amount, flat rate, we give the amount. So some pay heads we will give the amount. Some pay heads, they are defined as user defined. So that will not be entered in this case. That will be entered, that will be processed separately. That is user defined. That is as per the definition, as per the is that is got actually as per the owner or the company, that amount will be paid. It is called user defined. What is the amount payable? The user will define, will decide. So according to that, this we have to do. First of all, we have to define the salary. Defining the salary means different items, and all these items you have to define. So in that case, so if you go to suppose Anjana, if you go to Anjana, so here this is the thing. So 1425 is the year beginning. From that it is applicable. So every month, May to May 1st to May 31st, June 1st to June 30th, like that you calculate. Okay, here it will come. Here we have to take all the items. So for Anjana, we have to take all the items and we have to give the amounts and all these things. And then if you take Deepak, again Deepak also 1425 we will take up and all the items you have to give. Instead of that, what we can do is, instead of giving to everyone, what we can do is define the salary structure. This is also called defining the salary, means making the salary structure. What are all the different items payable? What are the items deductible? And what are the contributions made by the employer? All this will be entered. So instead of that, entering in for every employee in one department without amounts means without values, we will define all the items and that will be saved. And after that, for every employee, just to copy that. So directly all the items will be copied. Need not enter every time. Only we can enter for every employee. We can enter only the amounts. Okay. So first of all, what we will do? So first of all, any department you can take. Accounts department head office or accounts department, any office or any department. Okay. We will take up accounts department. So in this accounts department, it's not for a particular person. For accounts department, we will take. So in the accounts department, the salary is same for all the employees. This can be used, but every employee will have different salary depending on the experience and all these things. So, but we will define the salary in the department. 1425 is the beginning. So from here, every month you calculate. Here we have to give all these things. First we will give earnings for the employee. So what is the earning? Basic pay. We will not give any amount. Basic pay, enter, then come down, dearness allowance, come down, then conveyance, come down, not give any figures, conveyance, then you come down to this one, then house rent allowance, then come down, after that house rent allowance, this is called, then medical allowance you will take up if it is there, if there is medical allowance or medical reimbursement, only one will be there. Medical allowance means every time it will be paid, medical allowance means it will be paid every month. It will be regular income. Medical reimbursement only once, sometimes only that will be allowed by the employer. So just we will take up. So here this medical allowance it will be paid at a flat rate. If anything, if there is reimbursement, there will be no allowance. Okay, then come down, and after that medical reimbursement also earning medical reimbursement, then overtime pay, and then come down overtime, then variable pay. So all these are earnings to the employees, and some more bonus also earning to the employee. And gratuity we will not pay to them every month. That is only a provision made to pay at the end of the employment. Just will give gratuity. This is given as gratuity, not earning to the employee or anything. Given as gratuity means calculated till the end of the year, end of the employment. Okay. And then all these extra incomes are completed. Okay. Now we will go to deductions. Employee earnings, deductions. In the deductions, first we will go to general deductions. Deductions made and taken by the owner. So here go to the upstairs. So canteen deduction. Okay. And then canteen deduction. Then late attendance. That is also will be deducted. Late attendance. Then come down. Loan. If any loan is given, that will be deducted. Here I am showing as only loan, but the head will be shown as loan deduction. In the head we will show loan deduction. Why I am giving this loan, and also then loan, then there is salary advance, that is also deducted. I am giving name as salary advance, but the pay head will show name, and in the pay slip it will be shown as salary advance deduction. Okay, because the name should be given. When you are giving the advance, we will enter in the name, we will enter in loans and advances section. And this is also taken as loans and advances. Okay, that is the head. That is why, so both the places same should be name should be same. Just we will give loan, or we will give whatever loan may be, either marriage loan or education loan, whatever. Similarly, salary advance we will give in the pay head. We will show in the pay slip as deduction. Okay, because both loan given or salary advance given and recovered should be shown in the same thing. Okay, loan advance. So salary advance. So these are all general deductions. Now we will take up statutory deduction. As per statutory deduction is, so it's deduction from employee. So EPF 12%, and then these all will be calculated automatically. And then EPF, then ESI 0.75%, then after that NPS 10%. After that, so professional tax that will be deducted, and also income tax. So this will be deducted as per the income tax season. This one as per computed value, that will be computed automatically. Okay, and then these are the employee deductions, and then employer will make some contributions that will be taken after income tax. We will take up 8.33% EPS, that is employees pension scheme, then 3.67% EPF provident fund, then ESI contribution 3.25%, NPS 10%. All these are completed. So earnings, general deductions, then statutory deduction, then statutory contributions by the employer. So now they accept is here. After completing this, if you click, it will come to the next line. If there is another head, it will enter. Again enter, it will come here. It will come here. Okay. And I will show you later. See here. From 1st April, this is the thing. Suppose after some time in the middle of there, at any time, that is on 1st June or any date, if some increment is given, so the basic will change, and the applications, calculations also will change. If you change the basic and some flat rate, so see, this is flat rate, and this is on production, that is on production late attendance, then overtime. So overtime rate is increased, and then flat rate, conveyance, medical allowance, if it is flat rate. So if it is increased, whatever increased, that will be entered, and whatever is calculated on the basis of basic pay, that will not be calculated. That automatically calculate. Basic pay, we will change if any change is there. So only those to, so then we are copying from, we will copy that, I will tell you later. Okay, this is over, and after that it will come down and then come accept. So like this, we have defined the salary. If you go and see salary definition, so define salary, we defined for one department. Now the same, so for every department and every employee, the pay heads and everything will be the same. Yeah, earnings, deductions, contribution, everything will be the same. That is why everything will be copied. Just copy this. All these items will be copied at a time. Then whatever is available, we will give. If there is no allowance or anything, that will not enter. Okay. Now this is saved. This is saved to work easily. And for each employee, then we will go to each employee. Now this salary is to be defined to each employee. So first of all, we will take up, see here, we will take a Hyderabad head office, Sanjay. So we will take up Sanjay. Hyderabad head office, accounts department. We will take Sanjay. Sanjay will take. This is year beginning 1st April 25. Here, if you take start afresh, means again enter freshly all. So all these we have to enter. So for every employee, if you want to enter, it will take a lot of time. That is why already we saved in one group. So that is one office. So we can take from parent value. Parent value means if this person is in the same accounts department, we define the salary in accounts department, the same department. That is why it is a parent value. If the definition, salary is defined in salary structure is defined in accounts department. If the employee is in sales department, then it will say as copy from employee group at some other department. So whatever it may be is not a problem. Even now, if you click, it will show the department. See, if you click copy from parent value, what is the parent value? So parent value means same department. So all are copied completely at a time. So there will be no errors. There will be working will be very easy. Now we will take now we will give the values. First of all, Sanjay you have taken. Sanjay department is okay. Basic is 12,000. Sorry. Basic pay. Okay. Basic pay is 12,000 rupees is the basic pay. Then come down. Already copied, they are also showing. Then house rent allowance on this 30%, 25%, 20%, 30%. That is why in the pay head, we have not given the percentage, we have given at zero. Here, if you leave it as this, the zero, it will not be calculated to anyone, it will be zero. But for each person, it is different. That is why here you have to give different percentage. How you will give, if you enter this, it will come down. Here it will not go, cursor will not go here. It will calculate as zero. But to calculate different rates, what you have to do is here go to F12, the very first one, alter, so allow to override the slab percentage. Slab percentage is the percentage given in the pay head. So to override that, allow the override. So give yes, that's all, only one, accept. Now you see cursor will come here. Without that, cursor will not come here. Without come here. And what is the percentage for this? 30%. If you don't give this, it will calculate zero, 30%, and then close it again. So first one, make no. Okay. So that's why all the calculation, every calculation it will come here if you don't close that. If you make it no, okay. And then conveyance. Conveyance is at flat rate. Conveyance is given as conveyance is Sanjay 1,000 rupees. Sorry. Conveyance 1,000 rupees is the 1,000 rupees is the conveyance. This is flat rate. Okay. This is on attendance. We are giving, it is calculated. It will calculate as computed value. It will calculate. And here at flat rate 1,000 rupees. Then house rent allowance. House rent allowance is, see, house rent allowance 20% to everyone. So in the pay head, we gave 20%. So automatically it will not going here. It will calculate 20% to everyone. Here for different people, different percentages given the percentage. And then medical allowance. So medical allowance is not available. If it is available, it will be a flat rate. Flat rate. So what is medical allowance? That we will give regular income. Here in this medical allowance is not there. So don't give anything. Come down. Medical reimbursement is 1,500, but it will not go there because why? This is given as user defined. The owner, user means the company or company owner. The company owner or company will decide what is to be paid. So that will be processed separately. So that is processed as user defined separately. As user defined, that will be processed. All these items, user defined will be processed separately. All other items will be processed separately, but both are part of salary. Okay. So medical reimbursement is there. That will be processed later. And then come down overtime. So overtime you have to give. Overtime is as per production. Overtime, what is the rate of overtime? 90 rupees. 90, if you 90 rupees rate per hour. 90 rupees per hour. Variable pay. So variable pay is also user defined. So that will be given as depending on the basic pay. Okay. So that will be also user defined. So separately it will be processed. Amount will not be entered there. It's not going there. Then bonus also, that will be defined by the owner. That is user defined. We will process it separately. And then gratuity, it is not, the gratuity is not actual income. So it is paid only at the end of the option. So that automatically, depending on the calculations, it will calculate provision, it will make. Okay. Then these are over. Then deductions. See, all these are showing deductions. So deductions, first one is canteen deduction. Canteen deduction is, see, canteen deduction to everyone 500 rupees defined. In the case of high officers, the deduction will be more. Okay. So here, this is also user defined. What is the canteen deduction? So for higher officers, what is the rate? What is the amount per every month? And for lesser officers, I mean, other employees, what is the rate? All this will be defined in user defined separately. So it will not go there. It will not go there. Then this also, late attendance will be, it will be given, already it will be defined. Late attendance will be 50 rupees per hour. So here, overtime will be calculated to extra rate. Overtime will be extra rate. This is late attendance means what is the salary? Normal salary. So the late attendance will be deducted in the normal salary. So here, what is the late attendance? 50 rupees per hour. It will come here. 50 rupees per hour. This is on production, just like overtime. That will be paid more amount. This will be paid normal amount. Okay, that's all. Then loan. Then loan. If there is loan, for marriage loan is for only Anjana. So for this person, for Ajay, for Sanjay, loan is not there. For Sanjay, canteen, then salary advance is there. For Sanjay, salary advance is there. Salary advance is, so we have given 5,000 rupees advance. We are deducting 500 rupees per month. That I will show you again. I will show you again. Okay. So that is why here 500 rupees given, but it is decided as 500. Sometimes in some month he will not deduct anything. That is depends on the user. That is why this month it is 500. So it is user defined separately, and all these will be calculating. All these will be calculating as per the percentage directly. So we need not give anything. And professional tax, income tax, and everything will be correct. For income tax, you have to make some configuration. Okay, this is over. That's all. All this will be calculated. All this will be calculated by the system automatically. So this is completed. See, overtime, late attendance, then basic, and then after this, after basic, conveyance 1, 2, 3, 4. We have given amounts. Okay, no problem. Okay, so this will be completed. So this is completed over, and then we will go to second one is, I think is Rajendra. So we will go to Rajendra. So you can straight away come Anjana, Deepak, anything you can do. Okay, because concerned department will calculate. Rajendra. So 1425. Okay. So again, from the employee group, previously it was shown as parent group because accounts department. It is sales department, this person. But we defined the pay structure in accounts department. There's group taken. If you click that, it will show which is what is the department we defined, accounts department. Okay. Now, so everything is there. So we have to give Rajendra. Basic pay is 15,000. 15,000 is basic pay. HRA, dearness allowance, take F12, the first one make yes, only yes. So it will come here. What is the percentage? 25%. 25%, then go to F12, make it no. Every time you have to do that. Otherwise, every time, for every amount, it will come here in the rate. So that is not required. Then conveyance. Conveyance is at flat rate. For him, conveyance is 1,200. 1,200 rupees is the conveyance. And then house rent allowance, it will automatically calculate. Medical allowance is not there. So leave it off. Okay, we won't enter anything. On medical reimbursement is there. Medical reimbursement is 1,000 rupees is there. But the 1,000 rupees medical reimbursement is available to him, and the 1,200 medical, it is user defined, will give separately. Then overtime we have to give. What is the overtime rate for him? He is 80 rupees per hour. 80 rupees per hour. And variable pay, it is also payable to everyone. Everyone it is payable variable pay as user defined, depending on that we will get in the user defined. Okay. Then bonus also user defined. Gratuity will not be calculated now. Every month it will be, provision will be made at the end. Okay. Then here, then deductions. Candidate deduction is funded to everyone, but that is user defined. So you will process separately. And loan attendance, late attendance. So late attendance you have to give. Late attendance, what is the late attendance? You have to give as per production, just like overtime. Late attendance is 52 rupees per hour, because this is the rate is less here, because this is normal salary. For overtime, you have to go more amount, more wages you have to pay. That's why more amount for the this one. Okay. Then loan. So for him, also this one also, no salary advance, no loan to Rajendra. Okay. So we won't give anything. Even if it is there, loan amount, it will be as per user defined. That will come. Then salary advance is not there, loan is not there, salary advance is not there to him. Then all these will be calculated automatically. Okay, automatically they will be calculated. Then we will come to Vijayawada. So first of all, we will come to Deepak. So come to Deepak. So this is also 1,425. 1,425 Deepak accounts department. So from employees group, that is accounts group. So everything is copied to make it easy. And the salary is 16,000 rupees is the, sorry, basic pay. Enter. So 16,000 rupees is the basic pay. Here also F12, yes, accept. So the percentage is 20% is the DA. And then F12, make it no. Okay, accept. Then conveyance, conveyance will be at flat rate. See, conveyance will be at flat rate. What is the amount of conveyance to him? Conveyance, see here to Vijayawada. In the Vijayawada office, no conveyance at all for both. So no conveyance. So we did not give. It is flat rate. It should be given, but there is no amount. will need to give anything. House rent allowance will be calculated, and then medical allowance is not available to anyone, and then medical reimbursement is available. Medical reimbursement is available, but to him, medical allowance is not available. Even if it is available, it is user defined. Okay. Then overtime pay. Overtime pay is overtime pay is oh sorry. Bonus is available. Bonus is available. It is user defined. We will come. So Deepak, we are taking. So 2,500 rupees bonus that will be user defined. Okay. And then medical reimbursement is not there. Then late attendance, what you call overtime is for him no overtime. Okay, no overtime. And then variable pay. For variable pay, the amount will be user defined. So that we will take up later. Bonus. So there is amount of bonus is 2,500, but bonus is user defined. Then the gratuity will be calculated at the end of the service. Then canteen deduction is a 500 rupees to everyone. That will be user defined only. And then late attendance. So late attendance to him, late attendance it is 67 rupees. 67 rupees is the amount. So 67 rupees, sorry, late attendance. Late attendance, 67 rupees per hour. Then loan. So there is no loan to him. Okay. And then salary, there is no salary advance. No salary advance, there is no loan. So come down, all this will be calculated automatically. All this will be calculated automatically. And then the only one is left off. Only Sanjana. So come to Anjana. So Anjana, so again 1425. That is beginning of the year. So collect from the employee, copy from the employee group. So that is accounts compartment. So what is the basic pay? Basic pay is 18,000 rupees. 18,000 rupees. Again, yes, that is F12. Yes, accept. So the rate is 30%. 30%, F12, no. Okay, accept. And then conveyance is flat rate. So here, there is no conveyance to this HYDERABAD, there is no conveyance to both. So no amount. And then house rent allowance will automatically be calculated. No medical allowance. And medical reimbursement means medical reimbursement is there, but that will be user defined. Separately we will process. And overtime pay here, overtime to him, there is no overpay, but for Anjana, 70 rupees per hour. Sorry. Overtime pay is 70 rupees per hour, and variable pay. So we will give along with others. We will give it is a user defined amount. Then bonus is not available. Even if it is available, it will be user defined. Then gratuity will not be there. And then canteen deduction is 500 to everyone, but that will be user defined. Late attendance. So for late attendance, if there is late attendance, 75 rupees per hour. 75 rupees per hour. That is normal salary. Then there is loan is available here. Marriage loan. So loan amount, we are deducting 1,000 rupees, but it is user defined because sometimes more will be deducted, sometimes less will be deducted, sometimes no amount will be deducted. Depends on the user. That is the employer. Okay. And so loan amount. So that will be entered in the loan and salary attendance also as user defined. Loan amount is there. That will be given in the separately as user defined, and there is no salary advance. Okay. Over all these will be entered in this. Okay. So all the salaries of everyone is we defined now, and now this defined salary is for the whole month. So we will not pay to anyone. We will not pay to anyone for the whole month. We will pay to everyone as per his attendance. Now up to this, all this over. Now payroll vouchers. From here, payroll vouchers. The first one is attendance. Okay. So now we have to define the attendance. So for all this from here, all vouchers only. So go to voucher. So this attendance will be taken total for the month at the end of the month. Now we will take a end of the month means April 30. So 30 you cannot take as education mode. That you will take May. Any month, every month you will like that. So we will take it as for May. So what the end of May? So date will be 31st May. 31st May is the end of the month. Okay. We will take on 31st May, and then we will take up. So here, voucher is payment voucher. Go to other vouchers. So here come payroll vouchers. Come attendance and payroll. Payroll means payment of salary. So attendance you will take up. So attendance roll. Attendance. Okay. In the attendance, and how to take, we have to take For each one separately you can take, but separately here. If control F, autofill, if autofill is enabled, we have to make automatically, we have to make the entries. If autofill is disabled, we have to make manually. I told you already in the TDS. So click autofill. See, autofill for what? Attendance autofill. Okay, attendance autofill. Date is 31st March. That is 31st May. That is end of the month. Then here, what is the category? Hyderabad branch office, Hyderabad head office, and Vijayawada branch office. So separately you can take Hyderabad branch office, 2 people, and Vijayawada branch office, 2 people, or you can take all the people at a time. So all items means all categories we can take. So we can take Hyderabad separately, we can take Vijayawada separately, or we can take all items means what is the meaning of all items? All categories. So Vijayawada, Hyderabad. The next one also, if you take all items, here groups also, see all items if you take, in such a case, for all the branches, all the groups also will be taken. So all items for this also. If you take this one, Hyderabad, then it will come down which Hyderabad, which department you want or both departments. Here you can select all items with both departments. So if you take all items here, so all offices, so automatically group also will be taken as one. Now we have to define. So what are the amounts? What are the items? Present, overtime, late attendance. So we will take a first present. So type of attendance or production type we created. So present we will take up, and detail wise to fill. So start with 0. This time start with 0. So value to fill start with 0. So whatever we give the value, that will be added. So it will show 0 at the beginning. Okay, 0. And as per employee's name or employee's number, you can take up employee's name. See, all these are shown. See here, all these names are shown. The number wise, name wise means alphabetical order. It is showing this number. If you take, that also will be shown ADRS. Okay, and all present. You will take up attendance here. Attendance is given in the problem. See here, what is the attendance? So what is the attendance you take? This is the present days, present, that is overtime and late attendance. So first you will take up. We can take Sanjay, we can take from here. It is given from the back. So what we can do is, we can take from Anjana, Deepak, like that also we can take. Anjana, how many days? 20 days. Anjana, 20 days. So Anjana, you come here. You have to give here 20. To give 20, what is that 20 days? Or by default it is there. So it automatically will take 20. So by default 20 days. 20 days, it will come down. Then Deepak. So then Deepak attendance 24 days. 24 days. So 24 days will get up. So when you enter that, automatically it will come here. So you enter here, automatically. So we have started with 0. So this amount is added. The value is added. Okay. Then next one is Rajendra. So next one is Rajendra. See, Rajendra is 25 days. Rajendra 25 days. Rajendra 25 days. Then Sanjay. Sanjay is 26 days. Sanjay 26 days. So this is completed. So this is all attendance for all the departments, and that is all the categories. That is all offices and all departments, all employees. Okay, it is taken. This is for present. Okay. Then you can come to autofill, attendance autofill, date, that one. And this also we will take up all items with all offices, and then group means all departments. Come down here, we will take up. Next we will take up overtime. Next we will take up overtime. So overtime we will take up starting with 0, name wise. So sort by employee name. Okay, here you must be careful. See, by default, this we are creating hour of 60 minutes. So it will be hours. Whatever you give, that will be taken as hours here. Whatever you suppose, if you give 5, it will take 5 hours. 50 if you give 50 hours. Suppose if it is 50 minutes, then here days were there. So the cursor did not go there. All days only. Here it came down. But here the unit will be hours or minutes. Hour of 60 minutes. Some hours, some minutes will be there. That is why cursor will go to the unit. Where if it is hour, leave it as if. If it is Minutes, you have to give what is the name given, MINS, means. So that we have to give. So that will be converted into, suppose 60 minutes if you give 1 hour, minutes. If it is 100 hours, so 1 hour, 40 minutes. Like that, it will convert it to that. I will show you. So here, first again, here also, as per the name, as per the name wise only, Anjana. Okay. Anjana, see, this is the overtime. Anjana, 150 minutes. First, you will take up, for example, Sanjay, you will take up. I'll show you the thing. First, you will take up Sanjay. Sanjay, if you take up, what is the overtime? 6 hours. So, if you give 6, so that is already, it is hours. It will go there, not changing anything. So it is taking us 6 hours. Okay. So if you go, now you come here. So 6 hours means if you give 6, it will take as hours only. But here, next one is Sanjay, and then next one Anjana, 150 minutes. Okay. Here you will give 150. Next it is hours. So it is hours. Automatically 150 hours. But it is 150 minutes. See, 150 minutes. So here, next in the unit column, you have to go MINS. MINS means minutes. Automatically, 150 minutes means 2 hours, 120 minutes, and then 30 minutes. So 2 hours and 30 minutes. So 2.30 minutes. And means 2 hours, 2.30 minutes. Hours means 2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Next, second one. Then second one is Deepak. So for Deepak, there is no overtime. So come down. So come down. Okay. So it is going here and come down. In the case of hours, directly it will come down. In the case of overtime and gettedness, it will go to hours also. Then Rajendra. So Rajendra, 190 minutes. Okay. Rajendra is 190 minutes. Give 190, enter, and then it is going there. MINS. MINS means minutes. 190 minutes means 3 hours, 180 minutes and 10 minutes. So 180 plus 10. So 3 hours, 10 minutes. Okay, it is taking. And then other one is Deepak, Rajendra, and then Sanjay is already given 6 hours. Sanjay, we have given in the beginning. Sanjay, if you give hours, it will take automatically hours. If you give minutes, the next unit section, we have to give the word MINS. Then only it will be, the minutes will be converted into hours, hours and minutes. Okay. So this is completed. This is attendance. That is overtime. So overtime, we completed, and then late attendance. There are only 2 late attendance, Sanjay and Rajendra. So now again, go to autofill, attendance autofill. That one, take all items, both category and group. And here also, here we are taking late attendance, start with 0 and employee name wise. That is sorting by employee name here. So all these persons will not have, don't have the late attendance. Sanjay and Rajendra. Sanjay 75 minutes. See, Sanjay 75, enter MINS. 75 minutes means 1 hour 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes is the late attendance for Sanjay, and Rajendra is 80 minutes. So here, then we'll go to up, we'll go here, we'll go to Rajendra, 80 MINS. 80 minutes means 1 hour 60 minutes and 20 minutes. So 1 hour 20 minutes. All the other two don't have overtime, that don't have late attendance. That's why accept. Oh, these 2, not there, only these 3. Then accept. So attendance is completed. So we defined the salary, what is the amount payable to all the people, different items, and then deductions and everything we showed. Now attendance we showed. So as per this attendance, the total amount will be calculated. Before this, we have to do one thing. That is, actually we have to do that in the beginning itself. We have not done it. That is, here in this case, there is salary advance and marriage loan. So that means we have already given the advance and loan to them, isn't it? That is why now we are deducting. So we have to show the amount given as loan. In the beginning, we have to show. For example, that will be shown in the tally. So in the voucher section, we have to show. Okay, voucher section we have to show. So before that, we have to create a ledger. That is, for pay head deduction we are creating, but giving the loan, giving the salary advance, we have to create under loans and advances. We have to create a ledger account. We have to create a ledger. So here, you come here. First, you have to create ledger. Create. So what you will create? Loan. We'll get our salary advance. salary advance, it is already created. We created already. So under the ledgers here, if you take ledger, already we created salary advance we created. So this is only, what is this? This is ledger. There it is not showing deduction and all this. This is ledger. So with the same name, we created payhead. The same will create it as ledger also. And also loan we will take up. Loan also is created as loan center. Loan means loan given or advance given to employees, loan given to employees, to others also. Loan given to others also will be taken as loans and advances. Okay, this is it. And now this advance we have given them already. So that is not shown in the beginning itself. We will show that. How we will pay? We will pay, for example, 1st April is the beginning of the year. Actually, so for example, 1st May, we gave the salary, advance, and this one. Okay. Now, to make the payment and also salaries also we have to pay. We must have money. We have not done anything. So what we will do is, ledger, we'll go to ledger, we create a ledger. So ledger will create capital. Capital will create, it is capital account, accept, and then cash will be there. Then State Bank of India will create, State Bank of India will create. So the State Bank is already available. Okay, State Bank is already available last in the earning. See, State Bank of India is already available, and the capital account actually, capital account, yeah, capital is all there already. So you don't want this, so that is already created. So capital account is already created, and the State Bank is also created. So what we will do is, so the proprietor, he contributed some capital, paid into bank, and then we give the advance. That is to be done in the beginning itself. Okay. So what we do is go to advance. So 1st April, the 1st April received advance. I mean, capital is received. So capital account debit. Already it is an existing company, so we don't have any money. Now again, extra additional capital also they will contribute. It does not mean that only new company capital will be introduced. Already existing company also, if no amount is there, they will contribute capital. For example, we will take up 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs capital is contributed, cash. So being capital brought into business. This capital, out of this, 1,50,000 is paid into bank. So come on the same date, or for same date, we will take up F4. So F4. So credit cash. Cash is going out. 1,50,000 rupees we paid into bank, and to State Bank of India 1,50,000. If you give, whenever you are entering in the State Bank, we have to give the check details. If this is paying into bank, so I have to give cash details. This is transaction type is cash, not check. So in this case, it will ask you the denomination. Need not give anything. Come, just go on entering. Will come out, or you can give the denomination. So 1,50,000 means 500 into 300. 500 into 300 will be 1,50,000. That is the amount. Bank name, everything need not give, because our bank only. So this is paid into bank. The amount deposited into bank. Okay, amount deposited into bank. So we are deducting in the end of the May. That means in the beginning of the May we have to give a loan or advance. So here F2 will take up 1 May. 1st May we have given payment. Payment we have given. Payment to whom? Payment to loan advance we have, salary advance we give, as well as loan, because here. So salary advance ledger is there. Salary advance. So for example, what is the salary advance given? We give salary advance to one person, 5,000 rupees. Sorry. 5,000 rupees we give the advance. So okay, you are giving salary advance, but to whom give? Because it will be deducted from that employee. So where is the employee? Is not given. Actually, here what you have to do is, so in this case, payment, salary advance, payment, salary advance we are giving. The salary advance, when you are giving the amount, to whom you are giving. So which department and which amount that you have to do, that is to be given, like here F1, F11 if you take here, that is called as, the employee is called cost center, the office is called cost category. Okay, in this case cost center, this you have to make yes, that is we have to enable the cost center. Now if you make it, this cash class will come, that is not required for us. and then salary advance 5,000 rupees paid. To whom? So immediately, if you get, it will ask you the details. To whom we paid. So we need not create the personal account. We will not create now. Employees account we never create. The employees will take as cost centers. So salary advance, salary paid means salary paid total amount. To whom you paid, all the employee names will come. So if you click that, it will ask you cost category. What is the category means office. So cost category office, and in that cost category, to whom we paid only to Ajay. So we have to take this Sanjay 5,000 rupees. Suppose if you given it in the same company, same office, we have given two persons, Sanjay and another one is Sanjay and Rajendra also. We give both. So 2,500 rupees to Sanjay, and again it will come down. So Rajendra 2,000. It like that you can enter. But we have given all the 5,000 rupees to one person only. So Sanjay 5,000. That's all. So next it will come to another office. Okay. Next it is coming to this. But here in the Vijayawada office also give that is we entered for each office we have to enter separately. Okay. So this is Hyderabad office. Accept. Okay. Then again make debit. So you can make two entries. One is salary advance paid to this person. Credit State Bank of India paid through State Bank of India. Then again you have to take another voucher payments. Loan 10,000 rupees have given. See 10,000 rupees is the loan. So 10,000 rupees loan given to Anjana. So 10,000 rupees loan. So cost center will where branch will be, the cost category will be Vijayawada branch. So that will be Vijayawada branch, and my name is Anjana. Then this will. So here you have to do like that. But you can say both either salary advance one entry and loan another entry we can make, or both the entries, both them can be made as compound entry. So again we make it debit. Now what you are giving? Loan you are giving. You are giving loan. How much? 10,000 rupees loan you are giving. To whom? That is Vijayawada branch. See, Vijayawada branch it is there. In the Vijayawada branch, not Anjana. In the Vijayawada branch you get 10,000 to whom? Anjana only. Anjana we had yesterday I made it. I think it is showing. Anjana 10,000 rupees, and then to State Bank of India. Okay. Now here the most important thing. Many people, even the senior accountants, don't know. Here, if it is a compound entry, so one side two entries, two or more will be there. Here, this is also expense payment. This is also payment. So for this, we can make compound entry when if the nature is same. Paid cash. So this is debit, total amount, cash credit. No problem. If it is paid through bank, give check. That is only in such case, many people don't know. They will make one entry for this check number, they will give, and again into another entry for this check number, they will give. They don't know. But here we can even both, we have given checks to both the people. We can make the compound entry, or for the first one, we issued a check. Same bank, stay from bank or bank only. Second one, we paid through e-transfer. E-funds transfer we paid. So one is check, one is a fund transfer. Then how to? Many people, most of the people, you can ask others also, some people, most of the people, they don't know. Even if both the cases check is given, that means different checks. Checks are given to both the people, and how to make this entry. That can be made. And if it is, one is check, another is e-funds transfer or anything, so that can also be made. That is shown here, State Bank of India. If you click this, State Bank of India, 15,000. Now it will ask you how you paid. See, first one is salary advance. 5,000 is salary advance. So salary advance, we give check. For example, it is 5,000 only. Salary advance 5,000. Okay. What is the check we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. 6 digits will be there. Okay. So first this is okay. So salary advance we give. So in the entry, so the name is shown. Here also, the first person is, first one is Sanjay. So to Sanjay, we give the check 5,000 rupees. And how it is shown is salary advance, check number is shown. To whom it is given to this one. So the next one is favoring name. In the F12, we can give the second one is favoring name. If it is, it will be no. In that case, so the to whom it is given, check is given, it will not be shown. So go to F12. So favoring name in favor of a person whose favor you give. So here after the check number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come down. So favoring name to whom we give Sanjay. So the name will not come automatically. We have to enter Sanjay. The second one. Again, it will show again the same thing. Salary advance, check. Salary advance check, it will show. But you have to come back. What is the second amount? 10,000 is 10,000 is loan that you have to take. Loan we have given, but it is also checked. So no problem. Check it is given. The second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. It is given, and here in the name of Anjana. You can enter like this. In the case of checks, both things are checked. This is one check to salary advance to this person. Both are salary advance. This salary advance to this person. This is also salary advance to this person, like this. But here, in the second case, we might have paid through e-funds transfer. So e-funds transfer, if you take, name is given, e-funds transfer, account number, his account number will we have to give, and IFSC code, where you paid, which bank you paid, and then bank name, the bank of the person, okay, other person. Here, instrument number will not there, it will be there, UTR number. That is when you transfer, e-funds transfer, then UTR number will give the bank will be give UTR number. That UTR 1, 2, 3, some number, the number will be given. And here also again favoring Anjana, favoring Anjana. So like this, we had to give this. Both are checks. One is check, another is not check. Some other thing to whom it is given. So all these things, both are checks or both are not checks. Both are different things. These things, many people don't know how to make a single entry. I mean, the compound entry. So salary advance, make a separate entry. Loans, make a separate entry. They will do like that. They cannot enter the compound entry. Okay. So with this, so this is the thing we compared. Okay. So this is done. Now the deduction will be made. So because that amount is paid. Now if you go to balance sheet, you see Alt F1. So capital is 2 lakhs. Here also capital is paid into bank 2 lakhs, and out of that 15,000 rupees loans and advance paid, and cash is 50,000, and out of that 1,50,000, 15,000 rupees we give loan and advance, salary advance and loan 15,000. So the balance is 15,000. The 1,35,000. This is the balance after making the payments. And in this case, come to profit and loss account, nothing is there. No expenses are entered now. When the salary is paid, then it will be shown as indirect expenses. Okay. So like this we made. So we have completed the everything. What you call? We have completed the define salary and attendance. So define salary attendance. After that, after defining the salary and attendance, then salary will be calculated. Payroll vouchers. Payroll vouchers means salary will be calculated and salary will be processed. Normal salary, user defined salary processed, and contributions by the company. Deductions is made. Already we have money. Contributions are making from our packet. So contributions also should be, this is called processing the salary. Salary will be processed. That is also called calculation. Salary will be processed. User defined will be processed. And then what you say, other statutory contributions also will be processed. After that, processing, they are on the last day of the month. And then salary generally they will be paid in the next month, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. When it is paid, salary will be shown as, the payment of salary will be shown. And then these statutory payments, so they will have some 15 days time. By 15th they must be paid, and returns should be filed for the statutory deductions, statutory contributions. And so you will pay both deducted amount, contribution, totally only you will pay. Processing only his pay, his contribution, payment, both combined together, he will make the payment. That we will take up in the next video. Okay. So now we completed our work. Our work we completed. Define salary and attendance, and payroll vouchers we will take up tomorrow. Okay. In the next video, we will take up. So up to that, all the best. Good night. Bye.